Hello everyone, we are Team SOS and we have created E-Gurukul. So the main idea behind E-Gurukul is to solve two problems. So the problems are language barriers and the lack of personalized learning tools. So we know that there is no AI-based multilingual content delivery system that can translate and adapt school lessons into local languages. And we also know that students do not have access to AI-driven adaptive learning systems. So E-Gurukul aims to solve both those problems. So this is the landing page with the dashboard, the courses, analytics, and multilingual pages that our website would look like. And then the powerful features in the form of a bento grid that we have and a video demo that we're just recording right now. And the testimonials of the users that use our website and the teachers who teach you as well. So let's just start by creating an account. So let's just create a teacher's account first. So here, since the website is multilingual, we can add different language options or whichever one we prefer. So for now, I'll just select English and our role, that is of the teacher at this point. We can create the account and you can see total courses, the total students enrolled in all the courses, whatever. Let's just start off by creating the course. Entering the course title, curriculum, database, knowledge, and systems. Everything. Add a category. We have multiple categories to map the course into. For now, let's just select this. The course language would be English. And tags be like SQL, NoSQL, DPNs, etc. And this is a very crucial input that we have to give. That is the estimated time. According to this, the AI generates the course for us, and the length of the slides will depend on the hours or minutes the course is intended to complete it. So for now, let's just assume it is 60 only. And then we can upload any course material that we have to help the AI generate the slides. So let's just go into documents, chapter 1. Okay, yeah, here it is. And then file is ready to upload. We can either make the course private or public. So if it is public, then any student on the platform can access that course and learn from it or complete it. And if we make this private, then we get two things. One is the course code and one is the course password that the instructor will create, so that this course can be accessible only to the students that the instructor intends, wishes to give to. So let's just make this course private for now and create password for it. Okay, so we have created the password and then one final check to see if everything is right, and we can start creating the course. Now, how the course is being generated. So the first one is the Grok LLM that generates all the slides that are there. It generates the relevant videos for the topic, and it also generates the placeholder image links which we add into the slides. And then we have Google's Gemini LLM, which adds the code for the mermaid diagrams. So the mermaid diagrams are there in each slide to help understand that slide better in a visual manner. And then we also have Pixum API to generate the placeholder images, where the instructor can come in and replace those images with the actual images of the topic. So this whole course generation will take about a minute or two to generate because it will generate a lot of slides based on the estimated time to complete the course. So for example, in case of 60 minutes, it would generate about 6 sections with 4 subsections in each of them. And yeah, let's just wait till the course is generated completely. Okay, now that the course is generated, we get the course code as well and the other information like the 24 topics that have been generated for the course, the category that we had put it in, the language for the course, and the tags that we had generated. Now let's just view how the course is looking like. Okay, so this is the topic one. What is data and the different information about it, the relevant video to it, and the placeholder images which the instructor, that is I, can replace it, and the diagram generated as well. So like this, there are 24 slides which the teacher can check out. Then we can also check the enrolled students and the analytics, but right now we haven't published the course. So with this, we can publish as well. But for now, let's just edit the course and see how we can make changes according to our needs. So either we can add more sections, and with this, we can add one more subsection as well. So let's just edit this section for now. So here, if I want, I can remove this YouTube URL and add a video which I want the students to refer to. I can remove these placeholder images and add images of my choice. And then I can change the diagram. So a very cool trick to do here would be to just copy this content that is generated, come here and just say generate diagram for, and paste the information that was generated there, and it would generate a very simple and easy to understand diagram based on the information there above in that slide only. After this, they can add quiz questions. So they can add only two type of questions for now, that is MCQ or true or false, and they can mark the answers as well. So like this, one slide can be created, and like this 24 slides are there to complete this course entirely. So now let's just save this course, and once saved, you can see that this change that we had made in the diagram can be seen here as well. So now we'll just publish the course. Now that we have published the course, this will be available to the students. Now here we can see that one course has been created. Okay, now let's just go to courses for 1 second and copy this code because this is very important. Okay, now let's just log in. I have an account ready for student. Okay, so these are the public courses created by other instructors or teachers on the platform and in their specific language. For example, there's one Hindi one here, and there are other English courses as well. And as you can see that the DBMS course that we had created with the instructor that we had created is not here. So for that, we have to come here and join the private course. We put the code in first and then the password that the teacher had created. So with this code and the password, we can successfully join the private course. Now, if I go into my courses, I can see that the DBMS course is here. So once I click on this, I can access this course and start completing it. Okay, so here we have integrated the Liza's AI agent model chatbot, which is available in all sorts of languages as well. So it can give you explanations in English, Hindi, and other Indian languages as well. So let me just show you the schema for the 1 second. Yeah, so this is how we have set our agent. So in the description, the name is BharatAI and the description is this. The LLM provider is OpenAI's and the model that we have selected is GPT 4.0. Now we have given it the role, the agent's goal, and then agent instruction is to create, analyze, and all sorts of instructions that we have set it up with. And then we have given it a knowledge base, and we have also set short-term memory and long-term memory. We have added humanizer to give it a human touch, and then we have also added reflection. With this, we have created the Liza AI models bot, and then this can help you assist in any sort of topic or problem that we have. So this is another feature. We can just go back and then we will go to courses. We can get stats also. So like the course is completed, the study time. So I was there on the course for like 1 minute. So I can see the study time is 1 minute so that the students can't cheat out of it. And then the average scores. So there are quizzes, right, in that course. So after scoring the quizzes, we get the average scores here as well and the achievements with the total points possible. So the total points are generated from here. So every achievement that the student unlocks, so like if I complete my first course, I will get like around 10 points, 25 points. There are different sort of points for all sorts of achievement batches that are there in this section. So unlocked right now are 0, unlocked are 15, and then beginner, there are 2, and all different categories that are there here. So this translator, this is there for both the teacher and the student as well. So they can come here, upload any PDF of their choice, and get a translation of that into any language that they need it. So let's just find a PDF that we need to translate. Okay, so I know that this PDF is in English, so original language is English, and I'll translate it to Hindi for now. So let's just wait till this translates. So for this, we are using a translate API, which will extract all the text from the PDF which we have given, and then translate every character and every word in that PDF to the required language according to our needs. Okay, so here is the original text that was there in the PDF that we can see, and this is the translated text as well. So if we want, we can download this translation or keep it here. Another feature that we have is the short section. So as we know that children nowadays are more addicted towards the short form content, like reels or YouTube shorts or whatever. So we have our own Wikipedia short sort of section where they get information, like things happened on this day, and we get the information from the Wikipedia API. And for example, so this happened on this day. If we want, we can like this, and then we can get more shorts based on the subjects and on the current affairs as well. So this is the short section. If you want, you can scroll down and just keep on going and spend time there as well, learning about new things. Now, let's just go back to the teacher section to see the stats. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, here we can see, right, already that there is one total student enrolled. And then if we go to courses, we can see one student has enrolled in this particular course. If we go to analytics, we can see that one student and then the other sort of stats here. And the same translator that was there for the student is available to the teacher as well. Let me show you how the stats would look like in a proper website, in a proper teacher's account where there are multiple courses and many students enrolled in them as well. Okay, so this teacher has 4 courses and several total students, one with Hindi course as well. So let's just go to analytics directly. And this is what the proper analytics would look like. We have all types of analytics available here, with like what sort of courses according to category, and then which course needs attention, which course is going good, and so on and so forth. Okay, we also can do something where we said like the website is multilingual, right? So if you want, we can change the language from here. So I have just changed this to Hindi and I've kept, and this is what it would look like in Hindi. So the entire platform is changed except for this part because the course was generated in English. So this is an English course to follow. But rest, other than that, everything else is in Hindi. This was Team SOS and E-Gurukul signing off.